Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm going to harvest my volunteer turnips. Stay tuned for this episode. Hey, look at there. Nice little turnip growing. We'll harvest that today. Nice little harvest of turnips. Yeah. Well, I'm going to harvest my kohlrabi. Don't want it to get too big so it get hard. And it's pretty much filled up the space here. So I am going to harvest it. There it is. It's nice. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Really nice size. Got my turnips and got my kohlrabi. I'm gonna cook the kohlrabi and the leaves and everything. I'm gonna make a soup. And we're gonna see how it goes. Maybe my beets will get enough light back here. The kohlrabi was taking up all the light. But I got a couple more going here, back there. So we'll see how those go. And then I got a whole thing of them back here too. Might have planted those too close, so I don't know how big they're gonna get. I'll put a link for that in the description. I found a really nice place to buy the seeds. Alrighty, well, this is Papa Blue Shirt, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.